bad word. You get a whooping.
Under. See? See? Something wrong with him, it look like. No. You see the back? You see what he's missing? Oh, he's still a baby. He's still developing. Look at this. See? Okay, hold on.
Bad word. Give me a whooping.
Here. Here you go.
But I'm
Here you
gonna
go.
rock these bells until my life is up.
I
There
hate
you
if
go.
you do
Get
it
it.
like
That's for you. That's for you. Get it. Get it. That's for you. Don't throw no more. Get it. It's for you. It's for you. Eat it.
Why are you talking to her?
I'm trying to put the
That
pieces
was very
together.
behavior.
Tell me gonna always get it right.
You gonna get that stuff on your dress. Come here. Just throw it all out. Don't lift your arm up. Let me do it. Put this in the bag. They'll come. I don't see how they don't see that bread right there.
Getting guilty like a motherfucker. Look at some of the things he said and done. But I'ma rock these bells until my life is done.
Yeah, he's weak. You see him right there? He's weak. See? You see him right there? Yeah, he like he's dying. He's weak. Or maybe it's the newborn. Oh yeah, that's the newborn. Look at that. See, it's a newborn. It's a newborn. You better get that bread.